Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps. I am super excited to be testing a new fragrance. This is Orange Blossom. It smells fantastic. It's got top notes of bergamot, jasmine. It's got neroli, musk, sandalwood. It smells exactly like you would think an orange blossom would be, and it's super strong. So I made this soap several weeks ago, and so it's been curing, and the fragrance is fantastic. I also put it in candles, and they burn fantastic. It's really super nice scent. I'll definitely use it in some bath bombs as well now that it's spring and summer. I think it will be great. But I brought you guys in after I'd already poured the oils. I've got my colloidal oatmeal, my kale and clay going in, and once I put the fragrance in, it did fantastic. It does not accelerate, it does not rice, nothing. It's perfect. And sometimes for florals, they don't behave nicely, but this fragrance smells fantastic, so I was super excited that it did behave. Hey guys, so I am bringing you back for the cut in a few seconds, but I will note that this is not a normal cut video. I thought I had actually recorded the cut of it a few weeks ago and I didn't, so I just grabbed all the bars. They were still in the curing rack, and I'm just going to show you how the design came out. I was super happy with it, and the nice thing about recording this after the fact, doing the voice after the fact, is that the bars have had some time to cure and they smell fantastic. It is a really nice scent. Sometimes you would think with an orange or a citrus it wouldn't be super strong, but they came out super strong, super nice. The bars are ready to go, so I'm going to actually wrap them and take them to the farmer's market this weekend. So that's good to know. And I did test a candle in it. Smells really good. So I'm excited once Jen gets it in that I can get some more to do in candles as well. And just so you know, if you're watching it, today is May 1st. 2018, and BeScented is going to have this fragrance on sale for, you get a pound of it, 16 ounces for $10. So it's a great chance to try this fragrance, and I hope everyone enjoys it. So here's the cut. Super happy with how the swirls came out. Very exciting. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.